How's it going, everybody? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. My name is William and you're at W&W Mods. So guys, today we have a little video for you. It's going to be a further mod on the Camaro. So we're going to do a little unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, maybe you ought to stay tuned. And while you're at it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and clang on that notification bell so you get all the new updates, fresh content that we put up on the channel. So with all that out of the way, guys, let's get this box open. All right, let's get this thing around here where we can get it open and you guys can see what's in it. I'm curious to see what it's going to look like myself. So let's start this unboxing. I don't want to cut into it and damage our product. This came from American Authority, extreme online store. We order a lot of products from them, and they always seem to do a very, very good job. And this is for the 6-gen Camaro, the 2SS. And we're going to see what we got here. All right, got the instructions, got them out of the way. Let's start cutting some of this tape off here. Extreme Online Store always does a real good job of packing their product. We've never got anything damaged. I mean, you know, anything can happen in shipping, but knock on wood, so far we've been lucky. Everything we've ordered, it came just like it should have. A lot of tape on it. I don't know which is the best way to open up this box, but this is the way that I'm doing it, so hopefully it's right. Like I say, I really just don't want to go start cutting into this box and cut what we've got. So, let's see how this turns out. Well, looks like I've opened it upside down, but that doesn't really matter. Looks like our screws have busted loose from the package here. Looks like we've got a roll of 3M tape and several screws. An alcohol swab. Oh, there's another screw over here. It's like it tore loose on shipping. All right. Let's see what this baby looks like. Here comes the real tender part. You really want to be careful here. But so far, looks like it's packaged pretty good, except for having a couple of loose screws in the box. But that's not real big deal. We just want to make sure that this right here is not broken. Because this piece was rubber. All right, well guys, this is the ZL1. Let me get the camera so you guys can see it. All right, everybody, you can see the difference here. You can see how much smaller this splitter is to the actual ZL1. You see how short and how much longer this one is, and what this actually does, where this one actually extends down, makes it lower. This one is going to fit up here and actually come up and hug along the bottom of the front end here. Like where this is actually dropped down here, you can see this had the drop. This one here is cut to where it's actually going to be almost an extension off this piece here. You're not going to have the drop down that you have on this particular splitter. Both the splitters are genuine carbon fiber. I think I prefer the weave pattern in this one over the weave pattern here. Both of these come from American Authority, but there is a big difference in the way this piece does. This one is actually a replica of the ZL1 splitter that comes on the actual 6th generation ZL1s. All right, guys, if you made it this far, I appreciate you watching. Like I say, this is a ZL1 front splitter for the 6th generation Camaro. It is carbon fiber, looks beautiful, looks aggressive, and I think it'll really look good with the ZL1 spoiler that we have on the back of the SS already. So, like I say, I didn't plan on having to change this out, but there is a noticeable difference between the two splitters, and I think this one, the new one, will give it a much more aggressive look than the old one did, and hopefully it'll fit up a little bit higher on the car to where I won't be running into potholes and holes like I did before. So it looks like it's coming up a rainstorm outside, because I can hear it raining outside the shop here. So we're going to draw this video to a close, and as always, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell. Guys, we're going to put this on this weekend, so we'll be doing another video, and we will see you on the next one.